My name's Travis Russell and I practice personal injury law in Fort Myers, Florida. I handle car crash cases and slip and fall cases or premises liability cases mainly. I became interested in personal injury law because I always kind of liked an underdog, and the insurance companies are just huge, massive corporations, and they try to take advantage of and leverage their position as, the money holders. And I always liked fighting for someone and trying to give them a fighting chance against someone who typically they wouldn't have a fighting chance against. Over the years, what I've found that satisfies me as an attorney is when I can help someone and they're truly appreciative of the help. And it's not even always a thank you, it's just, the looks on a client's face, the tone of their voice whenever they say, I couldn't have done this without you, or I never could have imagined this could have been the result in this. Yeah, it's the wins for me that do it and what keep me going. And it's not always like that every day. It can be a grind, but that's the stuff at the end of the day when you look back and say, I helped someone that probably otherwise wouldn't have gotten help, and I did a good job. And that's what keeps me going. I'm committed to providing the client with results, and I'll communicate with the client throughout the process and do the best I can to help them get the best result that we can get, whatever that result may be. And each client has, different desires and different ideas of what, is a result for them. So understanding what the client wants and understanding what the client needs and helping them to get that is what I always tell the client and guarantee the client. What I like most working at Farah Farah is you get a big firm power with a little firm feel. And what I mean by that is that if you're in Fort Myers and you come into the Fort Myers office, we're a Fort Myers law firm, but we have the power and the name of Farah Farah behind us when we deal with insurance companies. Seriously considering Farah Farah as an option to help you with your case is probably the best decision you can make. We're a big firm with a little firm feel, so you get the name of Farah Farah with the feel of a small town firm wherever you go. So wherever you are, you feel like, we're entrenched in the communities, we're part of the communities, but we have a name, and that carries something, and that helps us to get better results for clients.